Whether you private label, co-pack, or produce your own line of fresh, frozen, or prepared foods, BatchMaster ERP for Food supports your unique manufacturing requirements in our off-the-shelf solution. In this short presentation, I will touch upon these critical business objectives that BatchMaster ERP for Food supports: managing samples and variability, adjusting formulation, scaling up production, reducing costs, ensuring quality and compliance, and bringing your products to market faster. Effectively managing samples will enable you to accelerate the process from concept to production. You can identify the requester and their specific product requirements, and then track the progress of your formulas and finished goods from R&D to acceptance then into production. With samples management, you will gain a greater insight into customer demand and product trends, as well as improving your development processes. Many product developers spend their valuable time on tedious, error-prone manual calculations when adjusting formulas to meet targeted physical and financial characteristics. With access to your ingredients' physical properties and costs, as well as your expected labor costs, any out-of-tolerance ingredients can quickly be identified, and your intermediate and finished good formulas can be easily adjusted in order to meet formula-targeted characteristics. Without an effective means to manage the variable characteristics of your materials, labor, and equipment, one can expect errors and variations within your business processes. BatchMaster ERP dynamically manages many of the variabilities encountered in your operations, ranging from scheduled and unavailable resources to unexpected material shortages. Variable ingredient properties, inventory characteristics, and resource capacities are all taken into consideration in various processes and can be automatically resolved. Now you can focus on process improvements rather than process adjustments. Ensuring the nutritional and physical properties and shelf lives of your products reduces waste and avoids customer complaints and chargebacks. Your manufacturing operations can be continuously monitored so that any out-of-tolerance or non-conformance situations can be quickly resolved and actions taken to prevent future occurrences. BatchMaster ERP mandates the acknowledgement, capture, and validation of instructions and tests against specified vendor deliveries, order shipments, stored inventory, WIP, and production line equipment. And when a non-conformance situation occurs, you can perform a root cause analysis, revise your procedures, and properly disposition the affected goods based upon your defined CAPA procedures. Keeping compliant with changing customer requirements and ever more stringent federal regulations is becoming more challenging these days. BatchMaster ERP keeps you compliant in terms of labeling, lot traceability reports, safety reporting, transactional audit reports, and shipping documentation. You have the ability to quickly track and trace suspect products from suppliers to customers, from customers to suppliers, and anywhere within production in minutes, not in days. And to satisfy your auditors, all key activities, data collection results, and sign-offs by users and managers are captured and maintained in a transactional history log. To reduce costs, you need better visibility to granular manufacturing data and the means to correctly adjust your formulas, production jobs, and schedules, and other resources and processes. BatchMaster ERP reduces your paperwork, increases user productivity, and streamlines your operations. You can manage costs up front during product development. You can reduce the cost of excessive labor and on-hand inventory, and the costs associated to equipment clean-downs and changeovers. You can negotiate better bulk order purchases. And with a comprehensive QC and QA program, you can ensure that your expected yields are met, and you can minimize the risk of customer returns and industry fines. To quickly meet the greater demand for your products, it's key to automate your batch and continuous flow processes. And you need all your processes to be aligned in order for your production processes to be scalable. BatchMaster ERP enables you to establish accountable, reliable, and predictable processes so that your business can quickly scale up production. Planning and scheduling features ensure that the right product is produced at the right time and that required raw materials will be available to support your production. Dynamic formula adjustments, optimized batch job sizing, linking, and scheduling, and auto inventory allocation and backflushing all work together to streamline your production, reducing manual interventions, costs, and risks. And by establishing a comprehensive quality program, you can improve your current processes and keep production line equipment settings at their optimal settings in order to meet increases in demand. To retain your current customers and gain new ones, it's imperative that you can bring your products to market before your competition does. All of the BatchMaster ERP features highlighted in this overview presentation work together to enable you to quickly grow your business while reducing costs or adding additional resources. And with customizable role-based screens, you get the accurate, real-time metrics you need to make better, more informed decisions faster. BatchMaster ERP is a pre-configured solution for your industry, which can be seamlessly integrated to your existing financial solution, such as SAP Business One, Microsoft Dynamics GP, Sage 100 and 300 ERP, and QuickBooks. Or it can be deployed as a total financial and manufacturing solution. I trust this short introduction gave you an understanding of just a few benefits that can be recognized running BatchMaster ERP for food. To learn more about our solution, I invite you to download our industry brochure and watch one of our on-demand webinars entitled Ensuring Quality and Compliance. Both the brochure and webinar links can be found on the right panel of this page. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and thank you for your attention.